Welcome into another fun and educational video all about spelling words with the letter G. In this video, we'll be introducing you to some exciting words that begin with the letter G and show you how to spell them step by step. First up, we have the word goat. G-O-A-T. Great job! Can you spell it with us? Next, we have guitar. G-U-I-T-A-R. Well done! Now, let's move on to some slightly more challenging words. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Excellent! Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Keep up the good work. And for our final words, we have grape. G-R-A-P-E. Amazing job. And lastly, globe. G-L-O-B-E. Wow, you're doing great! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all of our latest videos on spelling, grammar, and more. Thanks for watching, and we hope you had fun learning to spell these words with the letter G. See you next time.